Next is a class on the Srimad Bhagavatam, 7th Canto, 9th Chapter, text number 16, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on February 24th, 1976, in Mayapur, India.
Tusmaham kripanavassara dussahokra samsara chakra kadanad grasatang pranitaha badhya sakarma virusat samatengrimulam prito apavarga saranang abhayasi kadanu. So, Prahlad Maharaj was not afraid of the fearful features of Lord Nrsimhadev. He was not feared. But question may be asked, you are not afraid of anything? You are seeing so fearful appearance, Nrsimhamurti, everyone is afraid. And Lord Brahma, Lord Shiva, Goddess of Fortune, Lakshmi, and other demigods, everyone is afraid of. But you say that I am not afraid of your this horrible feature. Naham bivemi. This verse we have discussed. I am not afraid. So the question may be that if you are not afraid of this fearful appearance of me, then that means you are not afraid of anything. The answer is yes, I am afraid. Yes, I am afraid. What is that? Tastoham kripanavassala dussahakra savasara chakra kadana. I am afraid of this material existence, not this pure fearful. This fearful appearance is fearful for the asuras, duskritina. When Krishna comes, he has got two business. Paritranaya sadhunam vinasaya duskrita. So, those who are duskrita, duskritina, these words are used in the Bhagavad Gita. Namana duskritina mudha prapaddante. So, anyone who is in this material world, he is a duskriti. Kriti means very meritorious. Kriti jasa sajivot, meritorious, kriti. But duskriti, here in this material world there are many, many persons, very meritorious, big philosophers, scientists, politicians, very meritorious. But their merit is being used for sinful activities. Just like a thief, he has got merit, but his merit is being used for stealing. So that is called duskriti. And sukritina, just the opposite is sukritina. Sukriti means one is acting or utilizing his merit for sukriti. Sukriti means the way by which one can approach the Supreme Personality of God. That is called sukriti. Ajnata sukriti. This temple means to give chance to the people in general. Ajnata sukriti. Anyone who will come to this temple where the deity is there, and even by imitating others, if one offers obeisances to the Lord, that is taken into account. That is not useless. Because Krishna says, Marjadina, Manmana bhava mad bhakta mad jaji maga namaskuru. This is Krishna's desire. He gives the four principles that always think of me, manmana, and become my devotee, madhvakta, madhyaji, worship me, and madhyaji, manmana bhava madhvakta madhyaji maga namaskar. Just offer little obeisance. These four principles will deliver you from this bondage of material existence, and mame vaishyasya samsaya, without any doubt, you'll come back. That's so simple thing. It is not at all difficult. This child, he can do this, old man can do this, learned man can do this, without any knowledge. Even an animal can do it. Very simple. Bhakti yoga is very simple. Therefore, somehow or other, if somebody comes into the temple, even by imitating or offers obeisances, we have seen so many people, our devotees are offering obeisances, they also think that it is etiquette, let me do that. By association. Therefore, it is recommended, sadhu sangha. Sadhu sangha. Simply by association, one can be delivered. Sangsara chakra kadana. It is so nice thing. Unfortunately, they will not associate with sadhu. Satasanga chari koino asate bilas te karana lagil more karma bandha paas. Narottam Das Thakur sings that I have given up sadhu sangha, satsanga sadhu sangha, satang prasanga, mavabija sangvida, bhavanti ritkan rasayana katha. If you discuss message of Krishna among the sadhus, satanga prasanga, then it becomes very palatable. Satanga prasanga, not professional, or a sadhu. A sadhu is condemned. Sanatana Goswami has strictly forbidden. Avaishnava mukhadagina, puja hari katha amritam, savanam na kartabam. Is strictly forbidden. Those who are not Vaishnavas, professional, for money's sake, they recite Bhagavat. Anything, they want money. Sometimes they may recite Bhagavatam.